known as the coach's coach. As he goes from a hammerhead into a flat spin, upside down now a night-based spin, increasing the roll rate around the lateral axis of the plane 6-7 turns in recovery. This guy has been around our business for a number of years, and he just never seems to run out of energy. And there's one other thing you might notice about it, is that the plane changes colors. Watch him as he does a vertical tumble all the way up. As I was mentioning earlier when watch this. This is a torque roll. Watch him back it up. All the controls are reversed as the propeller turned the aircraft one way, and he was in reverse for about 60 feet. This airplane will change color depending on what the air looks like around it. As he goes over the top, he does an avalanche with a tumble at the top. It's built specifically for non-standard flying, this kind of high-energy, bone-crushing, unlimited aerobatic maneuvering. Bill Stein has a, oh man! It is the high power of the engine and propeller combined with a very lightweight airframe that gives him the opportunity and the ability to use the gyroscopic action of that motor to do these tumbling maneuvers. Gyroscopic tumbling maneuvers. 40 years ago, nobody even heard about maneuvers like this or even dreamed that they were possible. Over the top now, let's watch him come down. He starts the roll rate of over 450 maneuvers per second. Leveling off just 5 feet above the water, he experiences 9 times or 10 times his normal body weight as he yanks that stick back into your flat. As he reaches zero airspeed now, he swings it around like a frisbee. Goes into a flat swing. The airplane's flying about 3,000 feet behind. Now we're going to go say hello to Bill Stein right now. And I'm going to say, Bill Stein, this is Rob Ryder calling. How are you, my friend?
Oh my gosh, what a day. It's beautiful up here. There's a lot of people down there watching the show, I see.
Oh yeah, a lot of people for sure. This is a spectacular crowd here today, and they're loving every minute of it. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and let Bill Stein know how much you like him. Come on, give him a round. You hear that?
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Let me tell you about what I'm going to do here, all right?
Oh yeah, tell us. We want to listen.
All right, so this is a figure that Wayne Hanley taught me, my mentor. It's called the Sidewinder. I'm going to come over here. Just going to level out, pull up, do a little bit of roll.
What's coming up next? But that's the kind of stuff that you do just to get started, but you never go into any maneuver without knowing where you're going to come out of it, right?
Yeah, it's the way you learn how to do this stuff is you go up really high and you learn how to do
High G's, now that's maximum. Oh, there's the outside tumble. The centrifuge. I'll tell you what, man, I'm losing my lunch right about now. Okay, so I could build up a tolerance so I wouldn't throw over every time I hit it. Okay, we'll work on this, okay. Ah, it looks like a torque roll. Hey, a torque roll. Yeah, Charlie Miller won the 1972 World Aerobatics Championships with that maneuver where he backed it up. Nobody had ever seen it before. That's incredible. You're going backwards 100 miles an hour. Well, you pull out. The slow roll is a maneuver that if you can do that well, you can do just about anything, I'm told.
That is true. And I did lose my glasses.
Last night, ladies and gentlemen, he lost his glasses. You get them back yet?
I got them. I'm good.
We're going to put a band on the back. Keep them on your ear, on your head.
I should probably do that.
Now the avalanche, watch him as he goes over the top of the loop here. Snapping once, and twice, and 3 times, and going for 4, recovering upright. A quadruple! Sir. And Bill's back. I'm talking to the boss. He's going to finish up here in a couple of minutes. But Bill Stein wants to thank his great sponsor. And still built on honor. Building, and initially, propellers for the Wright brothers' first aircraft. First military aircraft. And today, building propellers for the most advanced propeller-driven aircraft on the face of the earth, including the entire Cirrus line. Now, over 3,000 feet up, watch him hold it right there. He's slowing it down. He's slowing it down. He's hanging in there on the prop. He's got some good wind. He's probably not going more than about 30 miles an hour. Maybe even, oh, there he's slowing it down to probably only about 10 miles an hour forward speed and hanging it right there on the prop. There's 15 seconds. Let's see how much longer he can go. He just popped some smoke. It's great air for this pop of the smoke again. There's 25, 26, 27, 28, and he comes down. Bill Stein! And by the way, it was in Dayton, Ohio, just in July of this year, that Bill Stein was made an honorary United States Air Force Thunderbird. How about that for Bill? You got a chance to get one more pass here as Bill goes by and skimming it. He's taking some pictures out the back with his GoPro, I think. Skimming around. I hope you're not sitting with anybody you don't want to see these pictures maybe on Facebook.